morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Um, Welcome back to my channel. This is the second week 2 challenge. Hey, hey, hooray, hip, hip, hooray. Yes, as I would have mentioned in my first video, is that I am not a video person. Nope, nope, nope. But because I'm being challenged and I'm going to do this. Not only that, is that I think it's time that I share some information. It's been 7 years I've been in the marketing, or it's been a while I've been in the marketing industry. So it's time to share my knowledge, and I feel good when I can, you know, come out of my comfort zone, share what I know, and just do this. Because there's a reason why I don't like video is probably because I think I find myself shy, but I don't want to be, I want to come out to that shy zone, and I want to be able to express myself more. And I think there's no better way than doing it on YouTube. So, yep, let's go. So today I'm going to actually continue from last week. And apologies if my sound was not very clear. I don't have the right microphone yet, guys. Keeping it simple for now. So if I need to do it over, I will do it over. So pretty much last week I would have discussed SEO auditing. So how you should audit your website, and mention 5 areas to look at. So today I'm going to continue, and I'm actually going to look at the reason why mobile is extremely important, and why is it important to test your site for to see if it's mobile friendly. And the reason for that, as you can see, if you look around you and you're out, what do most people have in their hands? What do most people interact with? And that is their phones, right? More people, more people are searching for things on their phone. More people are shopping on their phone. So Google, for example, realizes this. And Google interests is to please its users. So wherever its users are at, or what they're utilizing, they're going to try to make it as user friendly as possible. So what Google has been doing is that they've been indexing most sites mobile first, as opposed to desktop first. So in that way, that tells you if Google, or any search engine for that matter, is going to crawl your website, you want to make sure that they're not being blocked. You want to make sure that users are not having any difficulties using your website on a mobile phone or a tablet. So there are two Google tests. Apologies for all the noise in the background. There are two Google tests that you can actually use. One is testing speed, and the next thing two as well. If you go to a site, right, and the site is slow and the website is slow, what are you gonna do? I for sure, if the website is going to take forever, I'm going to leave that website, right? So imagine if you search for, and you're on your mobile phone, you did a search, and you went to a particular website based on that search, and the site took forever to load. You're going to come out of that, and you're going to search again, and you will choose a different website, and that website would have lost its opportunity, and you don't want that to happen. Alright, so I am a stickler for this too as well, in terms of I need to make some updates to my site. I'll tell you no lie, I do too as well. And we will see based on the findings. But yeah, let's dive right into it. So the first I'm going to use is called is mobile friendly test by Google. Search.google.com/test/mobile-friendly. And what you will do is you will enter your URL. So I'm going to enter my URL. Okay, UP says that my website is mobile friendly. Woohoo! But it does say that I have page loading issues. So just check to see, click on view details and just see what issues that you can resolve. Maybe it might be nothing to as well, or necessary to resolve. But if you're unsure, just the same page, just send it to your do a screenshot and send it to your web developer, and they'll be able to assist you, because sometimes it doesn't make any sense getting too involved in technical stuff, and wrapping up is just, to me, it's just wasting time if this is not your forte, right? Just give it to your web developers and say, hey, I did a mobile friendly test on Google. You can check it out, and these are some elements that saying that it is that needs to be improved. Right, so that is that there. And let's go to page speed insights. Now, page speed insights can be done for both mobile and desktop. It's not for mobile only, but since we're on the topic of mobile, and page speed is extremely important, and even more so on mobile because people attention span is even shorter on mobile. Ooh, when I checked yesterday, it was 35. So I guess it will fluctuate from time to time. I guess it depends on how the server's performing. This ain't good, right? So 28 is extremely poor. So you see red, yellow, or orangey, yellow, green gives you like, this is poor, this is average, this is great. And I'm far from great. So it shows I have tons of work to do. More so is that I can actually optimize the images a lot more. I can utilize the next gen formats. And the good thing about this tool is that you can click the down arrow and it gives you exactly what they're talking about, and give you recommendations too as well. So it shows me all the images that I need to optimize and how much I can be saving and so forth. So this is fantastic. There are two ways that you can optimize your images. You can either put it on a CDN. You could do some research in terms of CDNs. I'm going to put a link in terms of a CDN example. But how CDN works is that it stores your data for you, like images, for example, instead of it having to be on your server. Because if it's on your server, it's going to take time to load. So it will load faster on somebody else's server. And the CDN is supposed to be secure and so forth. And then you can use tools to optimize. You can use Photoshop, or you can use something called image opting. That works pretty well. And when you just bear in mind, and this is very important, don't try to get the smallest file size, because you want to make it as small as possible so it can load fast. Yes, you want a reasonable size file. However, and this is the biggest part, however, if you realize that the quality of the image is not there, forget about it. Always make sure that the quality of the image is still there, because it's from a user experience. But you don't want to see any grainy, or this is purposely done. You don't want to see any grainy, poor imagery, because this a poor image is going to make the website dull. A bright image is going to, ooh, I definitely like what's going on here. So just bear that in mind. And then the other images is not the only thing that slows down your website. JavaScript could slow down your website, and other things too as well. So again, don't get too tied up in your technical stuff. If you're not a technical person, just let the web developer see, and they will be able to fix what they can fix accordingly. Everything may not be able to fix in reality, or things always is like a process, but not to worry. Just make sure you fix the major stuff, and keep going at it. And yeah, that is pretty much it for tonight, guys. It was a pleasure doing this. I am, yeah, my aim is to keep getting better at this. If I'm not clear, guys, I'm gonna work on my diction. Yeah, my aim is to get better at this. So if you like this video and you think it was very useful, please subscribe, please hit the notification bell, and comment if you think you have anything, if you have any questions to ask, or you would like to add something valuable to as well. I would really appreciate it. So have a good rest of your night, day, or afternoon. See ya.